I'm tired of waiting for a life that was never going to come. I used to think I needed money or a gym to start being disciplined. But today, I'm stripping away the excuses. When we have zero resources, the only thing you can spend is your effort. I'm starting here with these shoes, and this is the decision. This is day one. I'm walking 1 kilometer to work. It sounds small, but for someone rebuilding from zero, it's everything. I'm not just moving my body, I'm moving my future. If I can't control my feet for 15 minutes a day, I'll never be able to control my life. Listen to the sound of these steps. Every time my foot hits the pavement, it's a vote for the new version of me. We live in a world that wants everything fast: fast money, fast results, fast success, but discipline is slow. It's boring, it's repetitive. A broke mindset hates the boring work. It wants the shortcut. But there are no shortcuts on this path. If you want to change your brain, you have to be willing to do the small things that no one else wants to do. Look at these steps. This is what consistency looks like. It's not flashy, it's not loud, it's not easy. Most people give up when the excitement fades, but that's exactly where the real change happens. When you have zero resources, your consistency is your currency. Every meter I cover is another deposit into my future self. I pass this railway line every day. It's a consistent reminder to stay on my own track. In life, it's easy to wander off or get distracted by what others are doing. But my mission is clear. I'm staying on these rails 1 kilometer at a time. I've been doing this and I'm going to keep doing this until my mind is as strong as my resolve. Walking through this market, I see the hustle of a world that never sleeps. It's a reminder that we all have our own path to walk. Mine happens to be the 1 kilometer at a time. Another day is finished and the habit is stronger than ever. If you have been struggling to stay consistent, don't look for motivation. Look for a path and start walking. Subscribe to join the 1 kilometer life community. I'll see you on the path tomorrow.